morning. Today I am going to start a new chapter. Chapter name is money. Chapter time is not included in your syllabus. You have read about time in previous classes, class 1, 2, 3. So during this time, this only the chapter time is not included in your annual exam. Now money. When you want to buy something, that is toys, shirt, etc., you give money in exchange form. Now, conversion of money. All of you know that 1 rupee equal 100 paise. For conversion of money, you have to convert rupees into paise or paise into rupees. Conversion of rupees into paise. Conversion of rupees into paise. When you convert rupees into paise, you have to multiply by 100. Suppose this one is the symbol for rupees. Rupees 5 equal 5 into 100 p equal 500 p. The symbol of rupees. Another one, rupees 10 equal 10 into 100 p equal 1000 p. When you convert rupees into paise, you have to multiply by 100. Clear? And another example I am giving to you. Rupees 135.25. 135 plus 25p equal rupees 135 into 100p plus 25p equal 13,500p plus 25p equal 13,525p or other 5. If you want, you can convert rupees into paise in this way. Otherwise, it is very simple way. Or it is very simple way to convert rupees into paise. First, you remove the symbol for rupees. This one. First, you remove the symbol. So it will be 13,525. Second, you remove the dot and put p. This one is the simple way for conversion of rupees into paise. First, you rupee and then remove the dot, and then you have to put p. Another one I given, another example given to you. Rupees 45.50. What I have told, you have to remove the sign rupee, then dot and this sign. Okay, you have to remove these two, and 4,550. Clear? Now the paise into rupees. 1,425 paise. You have to convert rupees and paise. Okay, so it is more than 100. The amount is more than 100 paise. You can express this one in rupees and paise. So 1,400 paise plus 25 paise. 1,400 divided by 100. Put rupee sign plus 25 paise equal rupees 14 plus 25 paise equal rupees 14.24. Okay, you can solve in this way. And another one very easy method. 1425 1425 paise equal you can put dot before the 2 digit from right side and put rupees symbol. Put rupees symbol. You have to put rupees symbol. Then 114.25. You have to put dot before the 2 digit from right side. Okay, so you will get your answer. Another one, 36,550%, 36,550%. So what I have told, first you put rupees side, then you will write the amount 36,550 and put dot before the 2 digit from right side. So answer is 365 rupees 0.50. Clear? Now let us practice 13.1. Now everyone open your book, page number 173. Let us practice 13.1. Convert into paise. You can solve this one by using the easy method. Number 1, rupees 223.57. What I have told, for converting into paise, you have to remove the rupees sign, then remove the dot. First remove the rupees sign, then you have to remove the dot. So your answer will be 22,357%. Clear? Very easy. Now number 2, rupees 446.29. First you have to remove the rupees sign. For converting into rupees and paise, then you have to remove the dot. So your answer will be 44,629%. Clear? Now number 3, rupees 163.42. Answer is 16,342%. 4, 5, 6 you will solve by yourself. Now convert into rupees and paise. Convert into rupees and paise. 24,038%. For the rupees and paise, you have to follow the easy method. So it will be, first you have to remove the paise, then you have to put dot before the 2 digit. Rupees 240.38. So what you will do, first you remove the P sign, okay, then you will put the rupee sign, then you have to put dot before the 2 digit from right side. Another one, 73,525%. Your answer is rupees 735.25. So first you remove the P sign or paise sign, then you have to put rupee sign and you have to put dot before the 2 digits from right side. Now number 9, 16,930%. Your answer is rupees 169.30. Clear? 10, 11, 12 you will solve yourself. So student, you will practice up to let us practice 13.1. We will meet again in our next video. Until then, thank you.